Mizzo Endo 4000. Not just a robotic system, a complete ecosystem.
We also focus on practical solutions that matter in the Indian context, quick troubleshooting, availability of spare parts, remote diagnostics, and training biomedical and OT teams.
From a service standpoint, our focus is on sustaining performance in real-world operating room environments, especially in the dynamic and high-pressure settings we see across India.
Our service engineers are not just technical experts, they are partners in the OT, ensuring that the system performs consistently across high-volume programs.
OTs here often run long hours with multiple back-to-back cases, variable infrastructure, and high utilization demands.
By being accessible, responsive, and proactive, we help hospitals run
To ensure system readiness every day through preventive maintenance, rapid response support, and strong on-ground presence.
smooth robotic programs and build long-term trust in the technology.
We understand that even a small delay in surgery impacts patient flow, surgeon schedules, and hospital efficiency.
Standing true to innovation.